Welcome. Today in front of me MEIZU M5S, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go to the settings and tap to the sounds and vibration section. Now just scroll a little bit down, and here as can you see we got the other notifications, or also we got the message and email notifications. And just to for example, we'll make this on the other notification example. Just tap there. You can set your custom notification sound from the local music from your device if you got something, or from the default one. For example, we'll try the default one. Just we'll tap here. You can select one from these available sounds. I'll go with the, for example, with the shining. And now just go back to confirm, and as can you see, my notification sound has changed to the shining one successfully. By the same way you can just switch the message and email notification sound. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.